7 mistakes you should never make when eating a banana. Bananas are a popular and convenient snack, but many people need more clarification and errors that can affect their health benefits. One critical mistake is to consider the timing of banana consumption. Eating a banana before or after a workout can provide a quick energy boost due to its natural sugars and carbohydrates. However, consuming it at the wrong time, such as right before bed, may lead to unwanted spikes in blood sugar levels. Another standard error is eating bananas in isolation. While bananas are nutritious, pairing them with other foods can enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. For example, combining bananas with a source of protein, like yogurt or nut butter, can help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy. This combination also promotes better digestion, as the fiber in bananas works synergistically with protein. Additionally, many people overlook the nutritional differences between ripe and unripe bananas. Ripe bananas are sweeter and more easily digestible, making them a great source of quick energy. In contrast, unripe bananas contain more resistant starch, which can benefit gut health but may be harder to digest for some individuals. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right banana for your needs. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize bananas' health benefits and enjoy them as a delicious and nutritious part of your diet. Remember, timing, pairing, and ripeness matter regarding this versatile fruit. 10 olive oil mistakes you make all the time. Secrets to maximum benefits. Olive oil is often hailed as a cornerstone of healthy eating, but many people unknowingly make mistakes that can undermine its health benefits. One of the most critical errors is not choosing high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This olive oil is made from the first pressing of olives and retains the most nutrients and antioxidants. Lower quality oils may be mixed with cheaper or processed in ways that diminish their health properties, so always opt for extra virgin to maximize benefits. Another common mistake is using olive oil at high cooking temperatures. While it has a higher smoke point than some oils, overheating olive oil can lead to the breakdown of its beneficial compounds, including healthy fats and antioxidants. For sautéing or frying, it's best to use medium heat. To preserve its health benefits, consider using olive oil in dressings or drizzling it over cooked dishes instead. Proper storage is also essential for maintaining the quality of olive oil. Many people store their olive oil in clear bottles on the countertop, exposing it to light and heat, which can lead to oxidation and rancidity. Instead, keep your olive oil in a dark, cool place, preferably in a dark glass bottle or a tin to protect it from light. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can fully enjoy the incredible health benefits of olive oil and incorporate it effectively into your diet.